Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Arpita Mondal and I have just attempted to recreate the look of bibbojaan from Heeramandi, and this is my first time recreating a celebrity makeup look, and I hope I am successful here. So let's start. I have started my skincare. Firstly, I have cleaned my face with the Mom's Coast toner, and then I'm using a Pilgrim tea tree based toner, then Pilgrim's moisturizer that also has tea tree and hyaluronic acid. I have combination skin, and here the temperature is literally 42 degrees and more, so I'm not overpowering my skincare. I'm trying to create a very light skincare base so that my skin doesn't feel heavy. And then I'm using a brown lens from, I forgot the name of the brand. Product details will be in the description, so no worries. And then I used Dot & Key's lip balm. Then I'm starting over with my makeup. So firstly, I have used PSC's eyebrow kit and I'm darkening my eyebrows. Aditi Rao does have straight eyebrows, which I lack, so I just tried to deepen my eyebrows. Then I'm using a primer, which is actually one of my favorite. Then I'm heading over for foundation, and as you can see, I have used very little bit of products from Forever 52's foundation. And for my neck area, I am using Lakme's foundation and blending everything with a buffing brush. I haven't used any kind of sponges here. Then I'm moving over to concealer with L'Oreal's Infallible Concealer, and I'm using it to define my eyebrows and on the nose bridge, then a little bit over my lips and in the chin area. And then again I'm using the same buffing brush to blend everything down. I'm trying to create a flawless base, but with as much possible with minimal products only. And then with a flat brush, I am just blending the concealer over my eye areas, and the excess concealer I have on my brush, I'm using that under my eyes to highlight my under eye area. I'm not using extra concealers because, as I said, I want minimal products on my face. Then I'm using Sugar's contour, which is my most favorite product as a contour, and it glides on and it blends like what everybody knows what this product is. And then I'm using my Forever 52 compact, which is you can see it's completely empty, so I'm just using a little bit under my eye area. And then I'm using this lip and cheek tint. As you can see in the picture, Aditi Rao had or bibbojaan doesn't have any kind of pink blush. Her face is looking bronzed, so I'm using a nude shade of a blush, and I'm using cream product so that it blends very beautifully. And for my eye makeup, I'm using the same cream product as a base, and you can see it's not showing up that much on the camera as I'm shooting with my mobile only. But then to deepen it, I'm using a brown shade, and I'm just gonna go in round motion. And she as much I can see in the pictures, she doesn't have too much eye makeup, very little brownish, so I'm just going with the brown shades only, matte brown shade over my eyes, and then with a smaller brush I'm under my eyes as well. Then I have taken my Glam's eyeliner, and with a eyeliner brush from Pro Art I'm creating my inner corners, because it looked like in the picture she had little bit inner corner liner as well, but maybe I have done extra. I'm not sure, because this was my first time I'm creating a celebrity lookalike, so it was really challenging for me, and I was nervous as well. So I have tried my best as much I could do. And then I'm just putting the eyeliner, because she had eyeliner over her eyes, not too much, not less as well. So I'm just trying to do as much I could see in the pictures, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. I hope you like the video, and if you are liking and if you're watching so far, please subscribe to the channel. Please, my most viewers haven't subscribed, so do that. It will be a very helpful option. And then for mascara, I'm using L'Oreal's mascara. That is my most favorite, and I only use that. Even on my clients I use that, because you will see how much it changes your eye game. And I haven't used any kind of lashes, so I'm just coating my natural lashes with as much mascara as I can. See the difference? Okay, my natural lashes and with mascara, oh my god, the difference is huge. And now I'm again using a my glam product, that is Pose highlighter. This is actually a very good highlighter. It's not chunky, it's very soft, but it is kind of a blinding highlighter. I love it so much, and it is great because you can get two tones, and you can see in the video that I've used a lot, so you can see the glow. It just gives an instant glow, and it looks so stunningly beautiful that I can not explain it more. You can see the glow, and I'm just loving it. I love using this one. I have three highlighters mainly, one from Maybelline, and one from my glam, and another is from Huda Beauty. And my glam one Maybelline one actually broke, so I've been using this Pose one or the Huda Beauty. And I must say I actually love this Pose highlighter more than the Huda Beauty one. Okay, and then I used a Swiss Beauty brown liner to line my lips, and I'm using a MAC's brown or nude lipstick, because Aditi ma'am, her lips are very nude, very brown and nude, so it felt like my lips are looking too much brick reddish brown color. So I put the MAC one, and it's now looking better. I love the formula of MAC lipsticks. They are just so buttery soft. I can't even feel that I have any products on my lips, and they look amazing. They stays for long. Obviously the price is huge as well, but you will get same texture on other products, maybe. I'm not sure, but yeah, I love this shade, but without makeup it washes me off. So now my makeup game is complete, and you can see I actually have a mole under my lips, and it was already peeking through, so I thought let's just deepen it a little bit. It looks good, but it didn't show up on the pictures or anything, but yeah, I liked it, so that's why I just lightly highlighted it. And I actually by chance I overlined my lips, so I'm just erasing the excess liner I can see. Now my makeup is complete. I'm putting on my jewelries. So firstly, this earring, the whole jewelry set is the most favorite jewelry collection I have. I don't have a lot of jewelries, but this whole set is my most favorite, and because I had this jewelry set, that's why I thought that I can maybe try to recreate the look, because without these many jewelries I can't, right? So this which is looking like a pasa. It's not actually a pasa, it's a long haar, rani haar type of haar, and I don't have a pasa, so I just used that. I pinned it up with as many pins I could, hairpins, and then I made it look like a pasa, and it was looking great. It actually elevated my look. It was just so beautiful, so beautiful. And I love this big nut. It looks very elegant on me as well. And I used my sari as a chunri and this is how I completed my look. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to the channel for more such videos, and check the description. Tada!